In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a chat in Microsoft Teams. Deleting a chat is useful when you want to clean up your chat list or remove conversations you no longer need quick access to. Keep in mind that what we're doing here is removing the chat from your view in Teams. Depending on your organization's settings, messages may still be retained in the background for compliance, but they'll be out of your way in the app. First, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you're on the Chats view. This is usually found on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a list of your recent conversations, either one-on-one chats or group chats. Take a moment to locate the specific conversation you want to delete. It's a good idea to double-check you've selected the right chat, especially if several conversations have similar names or participants. Once you've found the correct chat in the list, move your mouse over that chat entry. Now, instead of clicking it, you're going to right-click on the chat. On most mice, that's the button on the right-hand side. On a trackpad, you can usually perform a right click by tapping with 2 fingers or using a secondary click gesture, depending on your settings. When you right-click on the chat, a small menu will appear. This menu gives you a few options related to that conversation. Look carefully through the menu and find the option labeled Delete. This is the option that will remove the chat from your list. Go ahead and click on Delete. Teams may ask you to confirm that you want to delete the chat. If a confirmation message appears, read it briefly so you understand that you're only removing the conversation from your view. When you're ready, confirm the action. After you confirm, the chat will disappear from your chat list. If you had that conversation open, it will also close, and you'll be taken back to your remaining chats. If you don't see it anymore, that means the deletion worked. If you ever start a new conversation with the same person or group later, Teams will simply create a fresh chat thread for you. For now, your chat list should look a little cleaner and easier to manage. And that's all you need to do. By right-clicking the chat and selecting Delete, you can quickly remove unwanted conversations and keep your Microsoft Teams workspace